Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your kitchen? What if I told you that you could simplify your cooking space, save time, and reduce stress all with just 7 essential items? Let's dive into how embracing minimalism in your kitchen can transform not only your cooking but your life. Welcome to the 30-Day Minimalist Challenge. Today, we're focusing on the heart of your home, the kitchen. Kitchens can quickly become the most cluttered spaces in any household, filled with gadgets, tools, and appliances we rarely use. But by paring down to just the essentials, you can create a space that's functional, beautiful, and stress-free. In this video, I'll share the 7 minimalist kitchen essentials that will revolutionize your cooking space. A high-quality chef's knife. Why it's essential. A chef's knife is the backbone of any kitchen. With one sharp, durable knife, you can chop, slice, dice, and mince almost any ingredient. What to look for. Choose a knife that feels balanced in your hand, has a comfortable grip, and is made from high-carbon stainless steel. Minimalist tip. Skip the knife sets. A chef's knife paired with a small paring knife is all you need. Cutting board, preferably bamboo or wood. Why it's essential. A sturdy cutting board protects your countertops and provides a stable surface for food prep. What to look for. Opt for a board that's large enough to handle various tasks, but light enough to move around. Bamboo and wood are eco-friendly and durable options. Minimalist tip. One quality cutting board is better than multiple small, flimsy ones. Multi-purpose cookware. Why it's essential. Instead of cluttering your kitchen with specialized pots and pans, invest in a versatile piece, like a cast iron skillet or a stainless steel saucepan. These can handle frying, baking, and everything in between. What to look for. Choose cookware that's durable, easy to clean, and suitable for multiple heat sources, including ovens. Minimalist tip. A Dutch oven is another great option. It works for soups, stews, baking bread, and more. Measuring cups and spoons. Why it's essential. Precision is key in cooking and baking, and a simple set of measuring tools will ensure consistent results. What to look for. Opt for stainless steel sets. They're durable, easy to clean, and stack neatly to save space. Minimalist tip. Consider dual-sided measuring spoons to reduce the number of tools you need. Versatile mixing bowl set. Why it's essential. Mixing bowls are used for everything from food prep to serving. A nesting set of bowls saves space and serves multiple purposes. What to look for. Choose bowls made of stainless steel or glass for durability and ease of cleaning. Minimalist tip. A set of 3 bowls in different sizes is usually sufficient. A few durable utensils. Why it's essential. Simplify your utensil drawer by keeping only the basics. A spatula, tongs, a wooden spoon, and a whisk. What to look for. Silicone utensils are heat-resistant and gentle on non-stick cookware. Minimalist tip. Store your utensils in a jar on the counter for easy access and a clutter-free drawer. A small appliance you'll actually use. Why it's essential. Choose one small appliance that suits your cooking style, whether it's a blender, toaster, or rice cooker. What to look for. Pick a high-quality appliance with multiple functions to reduce the need for others. Minimalist tip. If you haven't used an appliance in the past 6 months, consider donating it. Decluttering tips. Start by emptying your cabinets and drawers. Lay out everything and ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Donate or sell items you no longer need. Keep only those items that serve a purpose or bring you joy in the kitchen. The benefits of a minimalist kitchen. Saves time. Less clutter means easier cleaning and faster food prep. Saves money. You'll stop buying unnecessary gadgets and tools. Reduces stress. A clean, organized kitchen promotes peace of mind and creativity in cooking. Environmental impact. Minimalism encourages mindful consumption, reducing waste. Challenge. Take the 30-Day Minimalist Kitchen Challenge. Each day, remove one item from your kitchen that you don't use or need. By the end of the month, you'll have a clean, streamlined space that sparks joy. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about focusing on what truly matters. By embracing these 7 minimalist kitchen essentials, you can create a space that works for you, not against you. Ready to simplify your cooking space and reclaim your time, energy, and peace of mind? Let's get started today.